What me I go cook for that little picnic eat, you know? Nothing in my place. Not even gas. Gas all. Why? You know what me I go do? Nothing. Nothing in my fridge. Nothing. Nothing at all, God. Nothing. No, sir. You can't live out one next day like this. No, man. Boy, me I tell you, them my life here.
Mommy,
Hmm?
you not cook nothing for eat.
Boy, no day I forgot to talk to your father and see what I go on.
You hungry for the money?
Come we go talk to him and see what I go on. Boy, you know you need to do better though. Cause see all the picnic come and want sitting feet and nothing there in that place.
Good job, guys. You know, say a piece of food will come in today, but we don't know what going on.
You have to do something about this, man.
So now you not very well.
No, she not eating, she just have to she hungry.
But me just come in and I couldn't go to call.
Yeah, well, I know somebody have a piece of food, you know. So we have to go deal with that.
Go in the room.
You know, somebody have a piece of food. So we have to go deal with that. I picnic can't go one more day hungry. And no gas not even there. Nothing at all. We have to go do something, man. But you have to try do something on the side too. I know a nigga, man. No worries if we have to deal with him, man. I know exactly where in there.
Alright, then let's see how it works. Oh, the ends.
You know, say, we tell you got you, but one and two man we did it still, but you know, I have to go strap up and things for that though. You know, way up, you know. Right now, I'm ready to, you know. Anything or anything, yeah, man.
Alright.
Picnic can't hungry too long, dog.
Alright, you know what I'm going to do? A morning, first thing. So here we're going on. I go down on my speed. Come for the rice and sardines. No, not tired of that still. But that one the option we have now.
Go and go do that and come here, man.
Alright.
And hurry up before you come back to me again.
Chatting there very much full thing that go on around Spain. So yeah, say about that. Talk next month, you know. The chat the line, see? Kakapo. Don't know? Kakapo. Yeah, no fight, you know. I don't know. The warriors are the warriors. Link up the partner. You don't know what you to party, you know. Don't it. Oh, you know? Alright. So you don't know. Chatting and chatting, everything go on. So you know in idea. You worry, I make you chat. Do the thing. See? And tomorrow we are going to do the cake, you know. See? So you go on. Go on with the rest of the day. Tomorrow in the link bridge. Link me up. See me friend? Alright. Don't see me tonight tomorrow. Yeah.
Yo, my boss. You next expect him, I know.
Doesn't matter. I'm still going to check what I want.
Check him out, see what going on.
No, still. Doesn't move the sound value to that. Make sure it's good.
Oh, good one.
Turn on. So wait like from far. Watch out. Yeah, man, just there. Oh. What do you do? Oh, yeah, man, I'm not chopper, you know. So that's some cool get the number, you know.
That can go on this.
Yeah, man, pull it. Get some. So what this one? So what this one? So what this one? So what this one more?
Just one person.
So what this one?
Don't put your name. That one I inform them.
No, someone, you know, bad man do them.
Now what are you gonna look at?
No,
How them feel like when go violate?
Oh, take off this one.
Said
Take
my
off
boss
this
a
one.
liar.
Wow, what happened?
You know when it crank up, Left boy unconscious.
Bullseye.
Pass me the chip Glock. Make us circle them fool ya.
Z1 Nation. Spinks recording in Zelda. Fire West. Chip Glock on the front seat of the house.
Too nervous, boy. Where are they?
I can't kill that flyer bomb buckler.
Yeah, but no after this, you know.
Hey, I'm about that.
Yo, General, what was all this at the end?
Yeah, man, it's good money to make him come in, brother. Man.
Oh, what's up? What is up? Yeah, boss. What you say? Take off the glass, man. You're a bad man. Take off the glass. What me say to do? Take off the glass. Look up in this. When you see a walk in the pussy.
Man, must go to hear that.
You do it on phone.
Must be proud. You're not your mad code and must be proud. Ever have it when you touch the road. When you touch the road. We no fling big stone, we no swing the boat. Big bad pin, they let it in the load.
Like that, let's see. Well, favorite that.
So yeah,
Why we do that, man? We just chill out, you know? Chill out and take the thing,
so
can.
yeah, sweet stuff.
Why I say it when I mean? I say it about me. Now they are stressing like I don't know what to do.
Stop talking, man.
We got blood in on the eye,
Yeah,
and the heart full of vengeance start. Tell plan stars and a red dot yard. Who are act up, shot them from far. Mark 90 rifle, drop them from tar. Me no wanna be down, could you send come call? Oh, me finish one, me tell your part.
You pussy, long time want a piece of food already.
Yo, see them.
Listen up, better big attention start. First man shoot up in head, me I go send that far.
Yo, mama, we have a nice piece of food.
Yeah, man.
Boy, I have money. You know that more. We can
Take off this one.
So we put up there once.
What do you mean, buddy? What side you?
Side here, true.
We are saying my side, we say gun to the that.
I saw not even do.
What do you mean? Stop talking, man. Yo, stop talking.
No, yeah, do here.
On the deal with me,
Yo, get up, man.
You know no more.
everything good, man.
Yo, mama, take care.
Everything good, man. No worry.
Yeah.
Shopping, you know? Babe, some of you really are needing me to be.
You really want to do this?
Some of you really be.
Yeah, come on, man.
She make you everything around this yard with me.
You have to do, man. You don't do anything, you have to eat.
Chance, man.
You have to do, man. You sit down.
See me need to go down and see everything.
You have to do this, man.
I already feel at least you can me.
You have to eat food. Man, want money in a pocket. You feel like.
You can't really be.
You have to do this.
Me give you my heart, my soul and my mind.
You still love everything, but you have to do this. You have to do this.
Well, anything you feel, you have to do it because everything is set up, you know. Worry is, man.
Why do you have to say to me?
Well, be me love you. Love you, see? You have to kill me.
You have to do this. No, I need to get something on the line.
God, baby. Go here.
Have to kill me, girl. Need to tie up, bad things going in here. Need to tie up. Just love me, I'm not coming up with a man. I want $1 million in car within a man.
Where's the bossy? They rob you? Which part of them? My hands? Alright, now say a word, we are forward now.
Make you run off a road like when car drift them say this. Must if you play music, cause them can't violate, tell them turn.
Me say shift, and the rifle a shift. Make you run off a road like when car drift you say this. Must if you play music, cause you can't violate.
Bossy! Wait there! Bossy! Don't shoot me up. Boy, don't shoot me up. Bossy! Boy, don't shoot me up. Don't shoot up, Bossy. Now, when they cut Bossy, you know the chest made the shot. You know how many? Bossy. How old are you? Girl,
What's your name? What's your name? What's your name?
Tell me, man, what's your
Tell me
name?
name. Tell me name fast. What's your name?
Bubbles name.
Bubbles.
Bubbles name, Bossy. Man, father and father, we are going to one year old saying on the pin there, you know. I'm going to do it, you know, men, man.
Fuck them up, you know, man. They can't.
I know we have to them. I know we have to them now, Bossy. Yeah.
Hold on, we have called ambulance for you.
Alright. Where did you start?
Hello?
Let's take everything, Bossy. Everything, they take money,
Yeah,
everything.
yeah, we need ambulance right now at lot 102. Right now. Okay.
Well, just hold on, Bossy. Help them on the way, yeah? Now we are make a move. Okay.
Yo, what I'm look for them and fuck them up. Yeah. Here.
Alright, now we are
Right now,
making
I'm look for them. Right now, I listen to them and cross and all that. Or yourself, you know, just easy. Easy right there, so. Alright. Help them on the way, lower yourself.
Come here, Diano. Come here, Diano. Me alone with you now. Baby, you are making it. God, I never do man.
Mommy, I'm dead. Mommy, I'm dead, Daddy.
Good.
Mommy, I'm gonna do it, Mommy. Mommy, wake up now, Mommy. Mommy, wake up.
God. Baby.
Mommy, wake up. Mommy, wake up. Daddy, Mommy dead. Mommy, give them to Mommy.
God.
Who is that? One minute.
Pull the door. Pull up.
Hello?
Who did it?
Nobody there, just me alone.
Police, pull the door.
You have warrant for coming here?
Yeah. Who are you there?
Me alone there.
Eh? Who is there?
Me alone there, sir.
What are they?
Me not see
You
them
alone there from morning?
from yesterday night.
From yesterday night? So your mother there?
Me not see them coming in.
Let me know them come in. So you are there. Let me feed.
Yeah, how much?
Who take care of you?
Yeah, how much? Yeah, how much?
14.
14. And you alone there home? From yesterday?
Yes, sir.
You have a careless mother. Yo, well, I'm a man food drinks there, I'm a man, then I drink drinks, man. Can't just a search alone and I drink drinks, man. Yeah. But Gladys come like, you like Lele and this. Keep it back then. And I put the refrigerator empty. And I wash it down. Most there, I have to find them and see them, you know.
I yesterday escaped too.
Yesterday escaped too, man. I have to find them and done them, man.
That them take with themselves.
Yeah, man, like them take with themselves.
You know, so we are far.
Man, they're not even my food in their house, man. You can't go and eat me now with their walk up a search and not even food now, you know, man. I'm not like search empty house, you know, man.
Disrespect this man.
I mean, man, if you put on the police and police are going to search, man.
Nothing they are pulling.
This one I said to you now. What's your name?
Kayla.
Can't upload now?
Kayla.
Eh. Alright, make your mother know say she will come down at the station ASAP. You know ASAP mean? What I mean?
As soon as possible.
And if she not come ASAP, she'll go RIP. What that mean? Alright. Come in, officer. No more, nothing there.
Mommy.
Thank God.
Thank God, Daddy. Mommy, dead, Daddy. Mommy. I'm not going to without Mommy.
Full of vengeance star, tell plan star, sell a rental car. Who are act up, shot them from far. Mach 90 rifle, drop them pan tar. Me no wanna be down, could send come call. Oh, me fi miss man, me and 10 girl par. Oh no listen up, better big attention star. First man shoot up in head, me I go send that far. Rifle me use and bust the crowd. Y'all up tape mad cow, them must be proud. Never have it when me touch the road. When me touch the road, me no fling big stone, me no swing the boat. Big bad bill, nearly nothing the load. When me touch the road, unconquerable, them can't conquer way. Unconquerable, them can't conquer way. Unconquerable, them can't conquer way. Unconquerable, 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 them can't conquer way. Unconquerable, them can't conquer way.